Hey UTV Boondockers, so in today's video we're going to talk about some tie-down options for your Polaris General or Polaris Ranger. Benlari has this new product here that mounts right into the lock and ride. We're going to install this and show you some of the benefits of it. Stay tuned. So one of the previous options I used was one of these here, and it didn't work too bad, but I wanted something where I could tie things off to it. Now, one of the original purposes of this was I made a rack and I used these to tie them down. These are not bad, but this smooth rubber doesn't stay soft for a long time. There's only soft rubber up top and then at the bottom. So putting these in, you know, they spun and it was kind of hard to tighten them up, but I made do with them. When Benlari sent me these are a tight fit. And as soon as you tighten them down, what happens is it pulls this upward, spreads it apart, and then it's in there and it's not going anywhere. So let's run through here. It's snug. Even loosening it up, I don't think that's going to pop out. Give it a couple turns. You can always put a screwdriver in here and tighten it that way, but I don't think you're going to need to. That's in there pretty good. So let's put some other ones in and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, I've got it mounted up and I've done these with just some pull straps. It does hold it down pretty good. Tips, here's some tips. When you seat these, seat them all the way down as much as you can. It may help because these are super grippy. It might help to spray a little water in there. I wouldn't use like a WD-40. I wouldn't want to damage the rubber, so maybe soapy water, something like that. Slide them down in till they're flush and then tighten them down. As you can see over there a little bit, because this one wasn't completely flush, it pulls a little bit. It's still in there very good. I don't think it's going anywhere, but I like to have them flush. Another little tip, when you're loosening these up to fit them down in there and you're wiggling them in, don't loosen it up too much. That little piece in the bottom will fall off. This is on me, not Benlari, but I will tell you that getting it out of there is kind of a trick, especially in a filming location like what I have where I don't have a magnet. So don't do that. But I think if you were to lube them up a little bit with soapy water, it would go great. Overall, I'm very happy. I would definitely recommend these. I'm gonna take the other ones out, as you can see I've done, and I'm gonna keep these in. Now, a couple things about these. They come in 6-packs, and they come in 3 different colors. Green is one, black is another. I think the other's orange or red. Now these will fit the 1 7/16 hole. It does not fit the 1-inch hole. I made that mistake early on too. Maybe 5 years ago, I bought a set and didn't really think about it. It said lock and ride, so I just bought it. But for the Polaris Generals and the Rangers, it takes the 1 7/16, so make sure you get that side. Now, to save you some time, I've got the link down in the description. You can click on these and pick them up if you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please click that like. Consider subscribing. I do a lot of these videos like this. So thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day. So as I was on the struggle bus putting these in out there, this is just water. Spray it down really good. Loosen it, but not too much. And it will fully seat. Now these are a very tight fit. One of the reasons I'm recommending them. So much better. And you are set. You can leave them in and just use them as you need them. Oh yeah, if you're wondering how I got that little guy right there out of here, it fell down in this part. I tipped the bed up and then used one of these extendable magnets and horsed around and hit the bottom until it bit. So little tip, just in case you do the same thing, that's how you can get it out.